They have two sets of closets in here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one bedroom.
It's one here. It's one bedroom.
Okay, that's one. That's two.
That could make 4 bedrooms.
That's 4 bedrooms.
No, well, then you make a bedroom.
4?
That's 4 bedrooms.
Yeah, with that one over there.
That's 4 bedrooms, Alan.
Huh.
You see, that's 4 bedrooms.
You just see? I told you 4 bedrooms. 3 really or one, you make one.
It's 4 bedrooms, y'all. It's 1, 2, 3. It's 4 bedrooms. It's 4 bedrooms.
Yeah, you need paint, and you got a bunch of shit to do this house. I don't know if you want to talk about this.
It's 4 bedrooms. It's 4 bedrooms, y'all.
This garage.
Yeah, it's 4 bedrooms. And this is just somewhere you can just put your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But it's 4 bedrooms. I didn't know it was 4 bedrooms. Shit. I should have looked at buying this shit. It's 4 bedrooms.
You got one?
All of it's 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
And look, 1, 2,
3.
3,
3,
4.
4. Yeah, it's 4.
3, what else?
Right here.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 bedrooms.
You got a living hall right here. You eat.
Living room, dining room.
It's 4 bedrooms. Shit, we should have bought it with a damn 4 bedrooms.
You don't tell it 4 bedrooms, you said 3.
Shit. We didn't want it for the 4 bedrooms. Why didn't we want it for the 4 bedrooms? Damn.
Yeah, everything on.
We didn't want it for the 4 bedrooms?
Got one key right here.
Shit.
You got no key?
What in the hell? And that's a Jen Air stove. All you gotta do is clean it. Put Mingo ass to work. He retired. Shit. Just make it clean up and do every damn thing.
Clean up what?
Clean the stove.
That's a nice house, man. We got to look at it. 4 bedrooms. I think it's like 139.